Hello guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how you can convert your normal TV, normal LED or LCD 6000 7000 Indian rupees TV into a smart one, so that like you can watch Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, like all the things that you can think of. And even like you can control your TV by using voice recognition. So as you can see, here there is one TV, and this TV is connected to one set-top box, and this is like the local cable TV set-top box. And let me just show you the demonstration, how you can how I have converted this TV into a smart one. So let me just switch to the HDMI port. Just a second. Yes. So here you will see the whole interface of the YouTube or the Netflix, and like any streaming site that you can think of. Here you will see like the one browser, and like this TV like is now converted to a smart TV. So this is the like overview, like that what we are currently doing. So let me deep dive into the technical aspects, like the how I have converted this normal TV into a smart one. And let me like give you a quick introduction, the whole overflow, how the device is actually working. So please be note, this is not from the technical point of view. This will like mainly the overview how the system is actually working. Yes guys, so in order to convert your normal TV into a smart one, all you need is this latest model of the Raspberry Pi. And here I have programmed this Raspberry Pi with the help of this memory card. This is like the 32 GB memory card, and I have put the program in it. And here you will see one port for the power of this Raspberry Pi, and the second is the HDMI port. This is the HDMI port is responsible for all the content that we are currently displaying on our TV, like all the content, either it is like it is the Netflix, YouTube, and all those things. And let's move forward. After that you will see two USB port. One is for the keyboard, and the second is for the mouse. Okay, so currently we are controlling this TV through our mouse and keyboard, but we can also convert it, like control it using our voice recognition, like using our voice. But I have not integrated it till now. If you like really interested to know how you can convert all those things, so just let me know in the comment. I will like make a fully technical videos based on that. And just let me just give you a one simple demonstration how this thing is actually working. So in order to control your mouse pointer, use mouse, and the keyboard is for typing. So like just go to any site, YouTube, either it is like YouTube, Netflix, or somewhere, and click on any play video, and you will see like, okay, all the videos now playing. Yes guys, so this is it from the overall perspective how the system is actually working. So if you already familiar with the Raspberry Pi and how this thing is actually working, so it would not be a very much difficult task to convert your normal TV. And if you are not, so just let me know in the comment. I will like if you are really interested to know how the thing is actually working, how you can like also program this Raspberry Pi and use on your home, just let me know in the comment. I will like make a separate video on this. And yes, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment. I will try to query that. Yes, thanks guys, bye bye.